Welcome to Over the Counter Crypto. I am your host, Eric. Today on the panel, we got Lalo
What's going on, y'all?
and we got Miguel. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of technical analysis right now because there's some crazy shit that's going on right now. So let me share my screen and then let me go over Heather. All right, y'all see this, right?
Yeah.
So we have this triangle right here, and it just broke. This is like breaking news. It just broke the triangle.
So what does this mean for people that are casual?
So when you break when it breaks a triangle, if it breaks to the downside,
Mhm.
we could calculate or we could estimate how far down it's gonna go.
Mhm.
So since it just broke the triangle, it's not guaranteed yet
Right.
because it needs to confirm. In the 1 hour, we have 40 minutes for this thing to confirm. But it does if it does confirm, this boy going to 14K.
What, Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is going to 14K.
Where is it at right now? 20.
It's 16.
Shit. So what do you think this actually, if this happens, is gonna crash even more?
Yes, so this is looking at the technical, like the how I guess this is we are measuring people's emotions.
Right.
So this is what the majority of the people are feeling, like, oh, they're scared because of this whole FTX thing.
Mm.
This whole FTX thing, and then I seen something about Genesis, and I seen something about Silver Valley, and then something about the Bitcoin Trust. Like, it's all bad news. It's all bad news right now. So
All around?
so it's causing this thing to crash. So which is good for us, right? Because we go get cheaper. We get it cheaper, which is good. But it's just a
Like
waiting game.
another Black Friday deal.
It's gonna be a Black Friday deal, dude. This is what
Pretty
this
Just in
is.
time for Black Friday.
Yeah, dude. Perfect time for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Perfect time. All right. So while this thing is crashing, let's go to I guess the message of the day, right? Save $10 a day. Sacrifice your Starbucks, your junk food at the gas station, your junk food at vending machines, or get a little side hustle here and there so you could afford $10 a day. So by Sunday, you should have $70 to invest in crypto. So, with that being said, Miguel, did you figure out what you want to put in? Or do you want to go stable? Do you know what a stable coin is, right, Miguel?
No, I do not. Because
A stable coin is a coin that's always going to be worth $1. It never goes up, it never goes down. So what you want to put, do you want to put your $70 in a stable coin, or do you want to put it in a crypto project or Bitcoin? Do you have something in mind?
I would say put it in Bitcoin on account that it's going down, and a lot of if anything, because I take this as the way a lot of businesses went during when COVID first started.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of COVID shut down. Some shut down temporarily, and some never opened back up. This is an example of it. To whereas even if the market goes down, crypto's still good. I mean, Bitcoin's still going to be there.
Yeah.
So like I would say normally I'm a risk taker. I would put it in a riskier one, but the way everything is aiming downward right now it's just best to stay with the safe one.
Yeah. All right. So we go to your portfolio. So right now you have 494. What's plus 70? How much is that? I can't math.
Five 560.
560. Yeah. So now, do you want to use all your stable coins into Bitcoin, or just the 70, or how do you want to do this?
I'll say I put half in Bitcoin.
Half in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Okay. So 560 divided by 2, 280?
Correct.
Huh?
Yes.
280. No. What am I doing? 280. No. Hold on. So 280 into Bitcoin is gonna be. Can I copy this?
I'm just putting 280 in there.
Yeah. So now I need to subtract aquí 280. Sell 280. Mit. And then we're gonna buy 280 here. Hey, when it does that. What about you, Lalo?
What?
Do you have any? What do you have? What do you have in mind?
Shit, dude. I mean, I don't know. I gotta see my I would pull up my profile. I mean, right now, just with everything going down, I think I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm probably just gonna invest in Bitcoin and just hope it, like caught it at like a downfall, and then hopefully just make money when it rises again.
Okay, so this is yours right now. You're at 335.
Shit. Look at that. Solana keeps going down. Now it's at 11. It was what, $14 back like
Yeah.
last
We
week.
go.
Cardano hasn't changed much. Yeah, all of my coins are making me negative money.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, I'll invest all of it this week's into
Bitcoin?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So I need to add a new coin on that one. Bitcoin. I don't know what 70 is. Copy. So okay, so I'm gonna Lalo. Do you know about the mining thing too, or no? How
What,
the
like-
whole mining thing works?
Mm-mm.
No. All right. Perfect.
No. So you can go ahead and explain it.
Cool.
Yeah, because my first experience or first time hearing about mining
Mhm.
was when I was in jail, and like the guy that was with me temporarily as my cellie, he was telling me, he's like, yeah, Bitcoin is the future. You know, you get these little computers, right? And these computers, all they do is just collect money for you. So all you need is about like 100, 200 of these little things. You can just get a little thing, and you'll be a millionaire. I'm like, man, really? Yeah. He's like, yeah. I'm like, have you done it? He's like, no. I'm like, okay, but you said it was easy. He's like, yeah, it's super easy. I'm like, so why haven't you done it then? He's like, well, because I'm in here. I'm like, oh, okay, makes sense.
Fair enough.
I'm in here too.
Let me get my my paint thing out. Okay. I'll move it over here. Okay. Do you know how I guess centralization versus decentralization, like the difference between those two?
Yes.
Covered by a bank, no? Covered by a bank or by a government. One is owned by a government or whatever, or like backed up by a government, and the other one isn't.
So okay, so here's like a simple thing. So this is
Okay.
the central. Let's say this is the central bank, right?
What?
This circle. This is where all
Okay.
the money is at.
All right.
Right?
No.
So let's say this one goes to Miguel. This one goes to Lalo. This one goes to me, right? And then and so on, right? It goes to the rest of the world.
Okay.
So let's say you get a hacker that hacks this circle, the whole system is fucked.
Okay.
Yeah?
Mhm.
So now, hold on, I lost my mouse. So now, this is how Bitcoin is. So you got this one, right? Like the central one. And then you have like that one. And then you have this one. And like these are like all over the world. And then they're all connected, like, right? They're connected. Okay. So let's say I hack this one. It doesn't matter because this one knows the information that was in here. So it will tell this one this information. So it doesn't really matter. If it made sense. Or I guess a better analogy would be like chess, right? Let's say your traditional chess, your centralized entity would be the king, right? As soon as I hack the king, I win. Right?
Or you gain access to those funds or whatever.
Yeah.
No.
So with decentralization, I guess a good analogy would be you need to hack every single piece on the board for you to win.
Okay.
Yeah. So it does come with a little bit of a risk if you hack half of them over a little bit more than half, you can fuck over the network, but you will waste so much money hacking it that it's not gonna be worth the reward. Because by the time you hack it to steal the money, the price of it is gonna lose faith.
More than the
whole thing is gonna collapse because people's gonna lose faith in it all. It's hackable. Yeah. You lose faith, so all the money that we spent trying to hack it is gonna be for nothing. But it's like billions of fucking dollars, and on top of that, it'll take a whole lifetime to hack it. So it's not really worth it, right? Y luego there's the argument. Oh, what if quantum computers? And like, what if because I guess you can hack Bitcoin with a quantum computer, right? But there's not a lot of them in existence. And if we get a quantum computer into the population, hacking Bitcoin will be the least of your problems. Because you're going to be able to hack to any bank. You're going to be able to hack into any fucking, I guess, military base. You'll be able to get into anything. So hacking Bitcoin will be the least of your problems if the population has a quantum computer.
Well, true, yeah. There's actually like crazy ways of hacking. Funny you say that because like I'm out the army now, and it's no longer like a hidden thing. But a lot of the time they told us to not keep our wires, internet wires, too close to other internet wires, on account that somebody can jump over and get into your network. And it's scary that type of software, or even like technology, exists as far as hacking goes.
It can be that easily hacked.
Yeah, so now like for the mining, right? The thing that I was talking about mining.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say I have a computer. Let me get my painting again. I just closed it. Okay. So let's say I have my computer, right? Wrong one. I have my computer. This is my computer. So I am going to secure the Bitcoin network, right? So like here, let's say, I found a block or whatever. My computer solved an algorithm, and I did a ¿cómo se dice? I forgot the words. You help secure the network by verifying transactions.
Okay.
So once you do that, you get rewarded with Bitcoins. So right now the reward is 6 Bitcoins per block. But now what you're doing is you're competing against other computers around the world. So let's say this is Miguel's computer that's doing the same thing. So now I'm competing with Miguel for block rewards, and then Lalo has his own computer. So now what we could do is we could make a pool where if one of us solves the problem, we could split the profits. So that way it's more of a guarantee of making profit instead of just kind of waiting until we solve it, right? So now you could use your own computer to mine Bitcoin, or you could buy specialty computers. And this is where I was gonna get at. That you could buy them here. So and you could decide if you want to use this company's electricity. They have a warehouse, and they'll hook it up for you in their warehouse. And all they're gonna do is they're gonna charge you an electric bill, but it's gonna mine Bitcoin for you. And these are the specialty computers that they sell. Like if anybody's interested in mining, and these are the computers, and these are the prices: $2,900, almost $6,000, $3,000.
$6,000. What about like how much electricity it wastes?
It tells you right here.
340. Well, 3,422 watts.
Yeah.
Shit. Like, would you say this would be like you'd make more money than you're wasting on your bill of light a month?
So pretty much what you're doing is you're buying Bitcoin with your electricity because it's proof of work, right?
Right.
So it depends how much your electric bill is. Because I forgot how the kilowatts per hour. Because this is just watts, and I forgot. But as of right now, the electricity you waste to mine a Bitcoin, I think it's 20K. With our current electric bill,
$20,000.
I think so.
And how much Bitcoin do you mine with that?
If you join a pool, let me see. Hash rate. Hold on. Per terahash. It'll tell you. Like
Now, is there?
if you
Go ahead.
join a pool, it'll tell you how much. Like this was a new one. I think it's $46 a day or some shit like that.
$46 a day. Shit.
Yeah. So okay. So yeah. So it gives you like right here on August 22nd. They mined $12. So it's like okay. So it's right now it's giving you like $8 a day.
You're wasting 46 but getting $8 in Bitcoin.
Yeah, like you get $8 worth of Bitcoin.
But that's a day, right? It's not monthly. This is daily.
This is daily.
Okay, and then the monthly.
Yeah. So what would benefit you is you have to figure out how much your electric bill, or your electric company, how much do they charge you?
Oh, per kilowatt?
Per kilowatts, and then you kind of do it. Okay, I'm gonna be running it 24 hours, and this thing wastes 3,050 watts. So I don't know if it's per hour.
Right.
I need to do more research on how it works, but like sometimes it's worth it, sometimes it doesn't. So what a lot of people are doing is they're going electric. They have their solar panels, and they're doing solar farms, and they're putting these mining things on the field so it can mine Bitcoin using their solar panels.
I was just gonna ask that. Like, why wouldn't you just pull up and get one of these computers and a solar panel, hook it up, and let the motherfucker just go up? You know, I feel like that's the easiest way, rather than just like spending $45 a day just for $8. Hell no.
Yeah, 1 kilowatt is equal 1 watt.
What?
So how do we put this? 1 kilowatt is equal 1 watt.
Isn't it like 1,000 watts for 1 kilowatt?
No. Like I said, for watts, what is that? 1 watt.
Because es un kilo.
1,000 watts.
Es un kilo,
equals
dude.
1,000 kilowatt.
It's electricidad, not tortillas, G.
Yeah, it's un kilo de watts.
Mm.
That's like 1,000, ain't it? 1,000 watts.
I mean, it's just what it says here. Maybe it's wrong. I don't know.
I don't know. Take it up to Google, man.
Hold on.
Take it up with them.
Let me see if I could. Let me see if I could.
Go ahead.
A ver. I think it's 1,000. A ver. Kilowatts to watts. I think it's 1,000, dude. Yeah, it's 1,000. It's 1,000.
Is that not what I said, or did I say the opposite?
You said like the same thing. You said 1 kilowatt is 1 watt.
Is it not the same thing?
No, 1 kilowatt is 1,000 watts.
Yeah, I just said the well, okay, whatever. Yeah, you're right. For the sake of argument, you're right. Go ahead. Yeah.
So I don't know how much ComEd charges. Ed price
Yeah,
per
we got SDG&E out here.
Okay, so all right, so let me show my screen. So I guess the average is 9 cents. Let's say 10 cents, right? 10 cents per kilowatt. So this thing, where's my, okay. So this thing is 30 watts. But thing is, I don't know if it's per hour or not. So, okay, so it's 30 cents. This thing wastes 30 cents, I think, per hour. I think is what it is. 30 cents per hour. So how much would that be in 24 hours?
There's people have to.
Let me get my calculator.
Yeah, I didn't go to school that session during that week.
Okay, so you got 30 cents times 24. So it's gonna cost you $7 a day times how much is it in a year? 360?
65.
365. So I'm not sure if this is. I don't even know if I'm doing this right, dude. $2,628 you're gonna spend on this mining thing to have it running all day.
And you get and it makes $8 a day.
Yeah, so you're breaking even.
Yeah, pretty much. You get a whole ass dollar.
Yeah, you're breaking even. But like back in August, you were making $12. So you're spending $8 of electricity to make $12 worth of Bitcoin. But just keep in mind that Bitcoin will eventually go back up again, right? You're getting it worth in today's dollars.
So even if you break even, you're probably gonna make more money.
Yes.
Right.
But thing is, you still need like you're spending like this when you're spending $6,000 for this machine. So like how long do you have to be mining to get your money back?
To make your money back and then stuff.
And then make a profit on the Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Right? Because it's mining rigs is an investment, dude. Like if you buy a mining rig, like you help secure the network, right? Because now it's another machine that a hacker needs to hack to take down Bitcoin. The more machines there are, the harder Bitcoin is to hack.
Yeah, that's why you have like some people have like whole warehouses full of these.
Yeah.
And so it's like damn.
Yeah, look, let me show you. Here like you could rent a spot in their facilities and they'll hook it up for you. Or they could just mail it to your house.
I still think that like the solar panel would be the best way to go. Just looking off of that, because like, do they get a portion of what you make? There's got to be a fine print. Like,
Yeah, you are renting a spot, and you're paying the electric bill.
but let's say like your member actually gets picked, right? You get bingo that day, right?
Yeah, but
To
you
the
have
fact
to
that you're running it.
you have to share
Right.
it with the rest of the pool.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's either like have it running in the background and then just waste electricity and not have any rewards, or have it consistent little amounts, $8, right? A consistent amount, but are very low, or just run it yourself and have the possibility of winning 6 bitcoins with one machine.
Yeah.
Or we could start our own mining farm, you know?
There we go. Ding ding ding. That's the winning question.
Because did you know that there's actually there's mining, like there's people that started mining farms, and they went public, so now they're selling stocks, and so they could increase their mining supplies and their solar panels and all of this shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
That's cool as hell.
yeah. So you could invest in these people that are doing these farms.
The video stream events. Okay.
That's as independent as can get. You know?
Yeah.
They're just completely on their own, just have a shit box in the back of your yard, you know what I'm saying? Like, what you got back there? Motherfuckers just making money, you know?
And how would you even go about like buying the stocks from these places or these companies?
I'm not sure. I think Fidelity, Webull, Robinhood. I'm not sure which ones they have.
Yeah, Robinhood. No.
So I'm not sure, but I'll send you guys a video if you guys are interested in, I guess, seeing
It
the
looks
things about
interesting, yeah.
stocks.
Yeah.
To support these mining farms.
We can talk about it next week.
Yeah.
Or we could have a topic for next week.
Yeah.
You gotta bring up a.
So it's getting close to 30 minutes. Is there anything y'all want to talk about, or y'all want me to analyze something, or
Maybe Solana.
Solana?
Just like my weekly update on Solana.
All right. Let's see how Solana.
Maybe like, since I'm trying to buy more, maybe I'll probably wait until it probably it's a lower price point. If it's guaranteed to hit a lower price point, then I'll probably just wait to buy actually more.
Makes sense. I like it.
Yeah, dude. I mean, what was it like? It was like at $30 not even 2-3 weeks ago, dude.
It's less than half of that now.
Yeah, so
Okay.
That's scary. That's scary.
yeah.
So we have a little minor support here at $10.
Okay.
It's not that great. So I guess think of it like a house.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like how much beams or how much supports. You know, like how much posts or beams a house has, like from the second floor to the first floor, right? So just kind of keep that in mind. So like right here, like this is let's say this is your second floor, and this is your third floor, and these are your beams that's supporting it, right?
Okay.
And it crashed. They went through it. It's crashing, right? So your next floor is right here, but you see, like it's kind of weak. It's really weak. It only has like one beam holding it. Trying to keep it safe.
Oh yeah, in the middle.
Yeah, right here. So this is your next from here to here.
What it's gonna be at? What 10? Damn.
So would you say this is the make it or break it hit?
So
Like,
this one was a big major one right here, and it broke it just now. So it's most likely going to go down to $10, between 10 and $7 most likely.
Wow.
And then if it falls through that floor, your next one is this one, which has a better support. It has like right here, and right here, which is gonna be like $5.
The basement, dude.
So yeah, you're going to Solana's going to the basement. So that's what's going on with Solana right now. It just lost a major support level. This one was $12 was a major support level. And well, actually, we still have time. We have 21 hours to recover, because this candle right here will confirm. There's a countdown right here in 21 hours. No, actually, it confirmed right here. So we're just crashing.
Damn, there goes the hope.
Yeah, there goes the hope.
No, it's
Yeah,
not.
right here,
Shit,
right
bro.
here. This candle
Mhm.
closed under this yellow line, so it confirmed already. So the probabilities of going to $10 is high. It's really high.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna wait, I guess, until it lowers.
What about you, Miguel? You want me to analyze something?
Any coin in particular?
Any coin in particular?
What ether I'm talking about?
Huh?
What's ether I'm talking about?
ETH?
How? Because in my opinion, they're the second biggest coin out there. So
Yeah,
if
they are.
Bitcoin is taking a shit, yeah. So if Bitcoin is taking a shit, how bad is Ethereum taking it up the ass?
Let's see.
Oh,
Okay. So if we draw our floors, so we got this one right here.
Mhm.
Let me make this big. So this one's I'm gonna do green. So we have that one right there, and then we have the one on top, right here. So we
Okay.
lost the one on top, so we're hitting $1,000, right? So these $1,000 is our next support level, and if we don't maintain $1,000, we'll go back to, holy fuck, there ain't shit till like here at, like, this is the next hold on. Right
what is
here.
it? What's the price on it right now, Eric?
Huh?
What's the price on it right now? 1,100?
1,100.
Hmm.
So
Was it like
if
4 years ago?
so back in 2020, it was $600. So right now, if Ethereum doesn't hold $1,000, it's most likely we're gonna go to $700
Shit.
for Ethereum. As for patterns, I'm not seeing any patterns. I guess we got. Let's see, we got this one right here. Nah, it's really corroded. It's a corroded ass pattern. Nah, it's a corroded pattern. I don't like how it looks. But yeah, but Bitcoin has a triangle. Oh damn, that thing looks like a mess. What was I using? Oh, there it is. We got have this little ass baby triangle.
Oh shit!
There
What
it
is
is.
this? Bitcoin?
Yeah, this is Bitcoin. Yeah, so it broke that triangle.
Damn.
So yeah, so it looks like we're gonna go to $14,000. I'm not saying it's gonna happen immediately, but it might eventually get there.
14?
Yeah, 14K.
Damn, dude.
Yeah, the one that I am eyeing right now is Gala, dude.
Gala?
Really?
This is a video game one, dude. This is the one I'm eyeing. So when the coin first came out, It started at 2 cents.
Damn.
It started at 2 cents.
Mhm.
So I drew a red line at the starting point. And right now we had this big red candle right here at this red line, which is 2 cents with 4. And then it bounced back up, and now it's slowly coming back down again. So I want to scoop these up, but I want to make sure Bitcoin stabilizes first before I start buying altcoins.
Damn. Everything revolves around Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's also something that I found that's affecting Bitcoin too. It's the dollar. The dollar against the rest of the currencies. If it's going up, it kind of fucks up crypto.
Really?
Yeah. Let me see where it's at. Right here. This is the DXY. So if you see, it's just been going. This is the dollar. It's just been going up massively. And right now, it looks like it started to crash, but here was a good support level right here. So the dollar's still strong.
What is this? The U.S. dollar?
The US dollar against the rest of the world. The peso, the euro, the yen, the
Damn.
baht,
The won.
the won. So you got that one that influences the crypto market, and then you have the stock market, the top 500 companies. But this one's still crashing too. Remember I told you that it was gonna go. I was gonna do one of these.
Mhm.
It's gonna be like that,
Yeah.
and then like that,
Yeah,
and then
you
like
did.
that. It looks like it looks like it's doing it. So
I guess everything is going down. House market, demand, everything.
the housing market. Let me check gold. Let me see how gold is doing. Cause you know how
No.
everybody trusts gold, right? You're like, oh, I don't trust anything but gold. So we could check the gold market. Look at this. Somebody come.
Check silver too.
Somebody come look at this.
That looks like the one we just saw, right?
Yeah, right.
So right now you see how the trend it's going down, right?
Mhm.
Well, it just kind of broke the trend. So it needs to stay above this green line. It broke the trend,
Mhm.
and it broke the previous high. So now it
Okay.
needs to sustain it and go above it. The one that's been getting its ass beat, dude, is silver, dude.
It's bad.
Silver has been getting its ass beat since
God damn.
since the 70s, since the 80s. So if you bought silver in the 80s, you lost your ass off, dude. You have not
That is hell.
recovered. Silver used to cost almost $50.
Damn.
And then I guess back in 2011 as well, you could have made your money back. Nah, I lied. Yeah, if you bought it in the 80s and you held on to your silver till 2010, you could have broken even. But if you didn't sell, you've been losing your ass off on silver.
Damn. All that's a break even. Fuck.
Yeah. From the 80s, dude. Imagine holding
Fucking
silver.
40 years. 40
Yeah,
years,
dude,
bro?
it's nuts.
Seriously? Damn, that's fucking bogus.
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't know, man. Would you guys invest in silver knowing the history now?
No.
I'm not
Not
gonna lie to you, man.
Not really, no.
Dude, funny story said about silver. So like in my last year of high school, right? Because I went to an alternative high school. The history teacher gave out prizes because we did tests on the decades. So like if you got the highest score for like the 60s, you get like a prize related to the 60s, right? And for me it was the 80s, and I got $50 that was like mostly silver,
Mm-hmm.
and it was like minted and everything in the packaging and everything. And I had it in my room, and it was like locked up, right? And then one day I get home, and I can't find it. I'm like, I asked my brother, I'm like, hey, yo, have you seen the $50? He's like, yeah, I took it to school to buy pop. I was like, dang, that shit was worth $35.
Yeah, he bought a 50 cent, 50 cent
Like
juice.
Snapple.
Damn. Oh, speaking of silver,
Damn, gee,
do you know what they consider? Because you know they consider Bitcoin digital gold, right?
Yeah,
You know what they consider digital silver?
it's gotta be Gala.
No, not Gala. Not Gala.
Ethereum.
It's
ETH.
it's Litecoin.
Litecoin.
Yeah.
Really?
This one is this one is considered the silver to Bitcoin's gold. So now you guys know that there is 21 million Bitcoins, right, in existence, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So with Litecoin, there's 84 million in existence. So that means that it's, I guess you could like a easy concept would be 4 Litecoins should equal 1 Bitcoin.
Well, it's like the quarters.
So it'll be like a quarter. Yeah? So now if you believe that Litecoin is gonna get taken seriously, hold on, let me share my screen. What is Bitcoin right now?
16.
16?
Oh.
So in theory, like Bitcoin is worth a quarter. Litecoin is worth a quarter of a Bitcoin. So in theory,
4
right.
grand, no?
16 divided by 4 is like 4 grand, right? Litecoin should be worth 4 grand. It should be worth 4 grand. But it's worth $63. So it's Litecoin is extremely undervalued. If people start taking it seriously that, okay, Litecoin is the silver to gold, Litecoin should be worth $4,000, dude.
Should be, however,
Should
Pisa
be.
has silver took a shit.
That's shit, dude. If it's supposed to be 4 grand and it's at 60, that is fucked.
It's extremely overvalued, which means it's a good investment opportunity.
I mean, but if you consider that, like, if you consider the same thing, like, for ETH, let's just say you theoretically consider ETH the silver to Bitcoin's gold, then it would still be undervalued because it's at 1,500, 700. No, it wasn't at 4,000 either way. So
okay, so we gotta look at Ethereum's market cap.
Oh, like how many coins are?
How many coins are in existence, which is infinite?
They have an indefinite amount?
Yeah.
What the hell?
So that's why there's people that don't like it. But ever since they did the proof of merge, the proof of stake, the merge, so now when there's high gas fees, a lot of congestion, they start burning Ethereum, so the supply starts going down.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But Ethereum it's a completely different coin from Bitcoin and Litecoin. This is like a transactional coin to use in the blockchain for decentralized applications.
Oh, okay. So that's why they don't consider it a silver, because it's right. And then Litecoin is a currency as well as Bitcoin will be a currency. Okay. Right. I forgot you have like the currency coins, and then you have like the project coins that give value, kind of like a stock instead of a actual currency.
So, all right. So that's it, y'all. Got 40. How much time do you got in?
I don't know, like 40 something.
Yeah.
Minutes?
All right, you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Leave a message if you guys have any questions, or if you don't agree with me, correct me if I'm wrong.
suggestions.
So, any
you know.
suggestions? We'll take criticism.
Yeah,
So, alright, you guys.
constructive criticism.
Alright, yeah.
Not no.
If it's disrespectful, I'm coming for you.
Alright, yeah.
Alright, man.
All right, man.
Bye.
Take care.
See ya.
Revolution!